Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another brand new video in our channel Amazing Warrior, and in this video I will show you how to flip or rotate a video, and this is going to be very useful tutorial for anyone because whoever want to edit a video which is shooted by camera, it might not be according to his will the way he wants, so anyone can rotate it easily with the video editing software Filmora. And besides, if you want to flip a video, like this is the right side, this is the left side, but with the flip you can change the whole thing. So without any further talk, let's jump into the tutorial. Okay, first I am inside a video in my timeline, and let's watch the video a bit.
Stowie, let's see it, son. Oh, coming in hot. He's short.
Okay, so I will rotate the video and give the mirror effect or flip effect in my video. And for editing option, just double click on the video in timeline, or you can right click on your video in the timeline and click on edit. And in the top side you see here 4 options. First one is rotate. It will rotate by clockwise or right side. This will rotate left side. And this one is the flip effect and main flip effect or mirror effect. If I click on this, you see what changes here, and this is the original version, and this is the vertical flip. But basically in our video editing we use flip in horizontal. Hello, sorry for interrupt. For watching more of our videos, check the link I written here. And let's see the video if I flip horizontally.
Coming in hot. He's short.
So this is the basic things, and this is how you can easily rotate your video in the wondershare Filmora and give flip effect easily in your video. And that's all about our video. Thank you so much guys for watching this video, and hope you understand all this video. And if you don't understand any part of this video, then please leave a comment what you don't understand. Feel free to leave a comment, whatever it is. It might be a positive or negative, or it might be a suggestion, or if you don't understand, obviously you would say us. So see you again in the next video, and make sure you have subscribed our channel Amazing Warrior.